Namaste and welcome to this beginner-friendly meditation. If we haven't met before, hey, my name is Alana and I teach yoga to help you improve your mental health. This is actually a meditation from my Mind on Yoga Academy, so if you enjoy this meditation, be sure to check out more over on my website. This meditation is titled Daily Discipline in the Mind on Yoga Academy, and it's designed to be a practice that you can come to daily to practice your meditation. While I was filming, I realized this is great for a beginner as well, and so I want to share this over on my YouTube channel as well. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the meditation. If you haven't yet, I would encourage you to start with the Daily Discipline yoga class because yoga is designed to help you prepare the body for meditation. But if you're ready for this quick meditation that can be practiced daily, let's begin in a comfortable seat. So you can place the hands somewhere along the body, either placing the hands on the knees or placing the backs of the hands on the knees to open the palms towards the sky, whatever feels good. And if it feels comfortable, you can close down the eyes or just softly focus your gaze on the floor in front of you. Either way, just gently begin to bring your awareness in. Letting go of the world around you and your thoughts and attachments to it, and just simply allowing yourself to just be. Just here in your seat, observing the sensations in the body and the breath. Becoming aware of the body, seeing if you can sit up a little bit taller. And relax the body a little bit more. Then bringing the awareness to the breath, we're going to begin to deepen the breath. So inhale completely, filling the lungs with air. Then exhale like you're trying to blow out a candle through a tiny hole through your pursed lips. Squeezing all of the air out before allowing more air to seep in, inhaling completely. Then exhale, slowly release. By pursing the lips together and only giving your mouth a small hole to release the air through, it helps you extend your exhale even longer. Then once you've squeezed all of that air out, you can inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Squeezing every last drop of air out. You might be shaking at the bottom, that's okay. And then inhale in. Exhale out. Good. Take 3 more of these on your own. On the inhale, you might notice that the shoulders rise up towards the ears. So on your exhale, be sure to consciously relax the shoulders, relax the body. Breath work doesn't have to be stressful. Taking one more round of that breath here. And then gently fall back into your natural pattern of breathing, in through the nose, out through the nose. But trying to maintain that depth that you've cultivated in the breath. Observe the sensations in the body. How does it feel to just be and not do? How does it feel to rest instead of rush? How does it feel to allow your mind to simply observe your thoughts instead of attaching to and ruminating on your thoughts? I think a lot of times people get so caught up in meditation thinking that, oh, my mind has to be completely empty. And that's not necessarily the case. Thoughts may float in every once in a while as we sit here. Our brain isn't used to being this still. But when you notice a thought, instead of going down that path, just remind yourself to come back to your breath and let that thought go. There's nothing else you need to be doing or thinking or worrying about right now. Simply breathe, inhaling in, exhaling out. And if it feels comfortable for you, you can bring the hands to heart center, pressing the fingertips into one another. And just bringing awareness to how you feel. Not thinking about how you feel, but just simply observing. And we'll close out our practice with one chant of Om. So when you're ready, exhale completely. Then inhale in. And slowly tuck the chin in towards the chest. And blink your eyes back open, coming back to the space around you. I would like to thank you for choosing to practice this meditation with me this morning. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments, how do you feel after this quick meditation? If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe down below so that you don't miss the next video, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye guys!